Right, hello and welcome to this episode of Lowdown Garage. You join us with a bit of piano. So, this is part 2 to We Go to the Lake District for New Year's Christmas special, New Year's special. Didn't expect to make a part 2, but we're going back to collect Lucas's bag of shit. We've got an alternator, we've got some tools, and we're going to see what we can do. Let's hope we get lucky. Joe's roof's farting. Got these two with us.
Got the jack.
All the tools in the boot. Got a 1 litre with about 50 tons on board. This is the hill I told Lucas up, it was bad.
This is tragic.
Blood is sending it.
You was towing Lucas faster than this.
Yeah. So you went with that? We've arrived, so we're going to swap the battery first and then we're going to see if we can actually get it started and check the alternator's dead or not, and then we'll figure it out from there. So I've got my little wombles helping me change the battery, so we'll get to it.
Oh, gee.
Got the time lapse.
That'll be on video, won't it now?
Right, anyway.
Is it not coming off? You're kicking it from the wrong side.
Don't think I can. What?
That's why I said we should have brought the gun.
Little more.
Oh, Lucas, you're crushing my finger now.
What do I do?
Tighten
In the
it.
belt.
Tighten it.
Yes, don't stop. You're holding the
My
tension.
finger is in the belt.
Can't get on it.
And my Lucas! Seriously?
Which way?
The same
Oh my
fucking way you
God.
was doing it.
I was trying. Sorry. Ooh! I didn't know what
Look at that.
Oh, bug that. Have you unplugged it out? No.
coming off. A bit tight.
I kind of just wanted
Joe.
Aluminium does that, doesn't it? It doesn't even fit out of the hole.
How the fuck you meant to get it out? No,
Jake.
Jake.
No, Jake, let me just.
dear.
What have you done? That's where the alternator's going now. No, honestly, Jake's fully wedged. Oh no! Oh no, what did that hit?
Important.
You saw what
Bumbo clutch!
Look, it's done that. Jake, it's dinted that.
Anyway.
Oh, Lucas has got no power steering now. There we go.
Dinted my power steering from it.
Oh.
That is actually rubbish. That's a new one as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Oh, it's not that bad. There we go. There's the new one, we just checked it, don't worry.
Get in!
Shut up.
Restored.
Brand new engine.
What those fingers do.
Get the bottom one tight.
Shut your mouth!
Lucas working on his own car. Miracle.
Which way do I do it?
Right,
Upwards in it then like that.
That's loosening, Lucas.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right tighter.
Right tighter. I see a similar resemblance.
Uncanny.
See that space there?
Yeah, I seen
You
it.
got to pull it flush.
And then tighten.
Yeah.
It's tight already.
Yeah, I know, it's because he's pulling that through.
Yeah, and it's having a 13 as well, it's not very big, is it? Not got much leverage on it.
What is going on?
I don't know, not a lot.
I'm tightening this still.
And I'm putting this on.
There's a wheel there. Sorry, Jack.
This washer just won't go on. First test of the new alternator.
Oh, let's hope it works.
Yeah. Yeah.
Already stepped up like that. Oh, it was on there. So yes!
Yes!
Winning!
Yeah!
It's all part of the service.
All part of the service. Ta-da!
You owe me 30 million Vietnamese dong.
No, 14 volt. Jeez!
Sorry.
Got a fresh belt.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to put it back together and then we're going home. Right, we're back in the Pumobile, it's working. So there we go. We've got RPMs, so that's good enough for us. We've got light.
The pendulum.
Yeah. So we're off home now. Right, so we're at Devil's Bridge, there it is. Common motorbiking spot on the way on from the lakes, and as you can see, Lucas's car was fixed. We just had a good range on the road, and I hope you enjoyed watching us change an alternator very poorly on a Polo. So if you've enjoyed the video, then make sure to give it a like and a comment, and make sure to subscribe for more Lowdown Garage this year. Check out the previous videos as well. We've got the unit video, so that's exciting. And you know, comment what you want us to do with all the cars. So thanks for watching and have a good night.